Today I will be doing a Dunkin' Donuts new items, and today is going to be, we're going to be using my espresso. I have my heavy whipping cream, milk, white chocolate, toasted marshmallow syrup, 2 of the cookies, so regular Oreos and the golden Oreos. Now I think they only use regular. I'm gonna use both because it do say a swirl, chocolate chip swirl. So yeah, I have a couple cookies here. I took off the middle part of it, and I actually got that in a food processor, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with that. And I know some of y'all like, wait a minute, where's the marshmallow? The marshmallow is the cream that I got from the middle of the cookie. And also too, I'm gonna use some salt. So yeah, that's about it, y'all. I'm gonna get started. Okay, I just wanna crumble up the size of the cookies a little bit. Okay, I think this is good enough. Put this to the side. Put this side real quick. And I'm gonna drizzle on some of my white chocolate. And I wanna line that around the rim. The cookies back into play. Take my iced coffee real quick. Alright, I'm gonna take my toasted. This is the sugar free. Put that in there. I'm gonna put another one. So 2. Full of my white chocolate. Another white. So yeah. I have like a French vanilla creamer. I'm gonna go ahead and use this. And put the second one in there. And put another, my white chocolate. Another spoonful. And I'm gonna put another vanilla creamer. Shake it up again. Alright, put that to the side. Now I'm gonna make my cold foam. The middle part of the cookie in there. I'm gonna put some of my whipping cream. A little bit of salt. I did want to use a little bit of my marshmallow as well. A half a spoonful really. I'm gonna just go ahead and blend that up. Alright, I'm gonna assemble it now. I have my coffee ice. I'm just gonna pour my coffee in here. Okay, I'll put my cold foam. Pretty much all my, it's gonna be a Dunkin' Latte. Okay, live, trying to Dunkin' Latte. If you didn't see that, make sure you check that out after you watch this. And I was like, what's all the hype with it? The reason why, because I always make my iced coffees, iced lattes with milk. That's why I come, cause I see so many reviews like, oh, it's so good. I know it's good. That's why I always make it with milk. That's why I can't really tell the difference. I know you're supposed to stir it, but I already combined it, shaking it and everything, yeah. This is good, refreshing. With the cookies, as you know, it's going down a little bit, but I might get marshmallow. Yeah. Oh yeah, also too with the twisted marshmallow, now you taste a little bit because it is sugar free. Just a teensy bit of aftertaste, but you taste like after. I didn't taste it at first at all. I'm almost to the end. That's why I tasted it, but it's only like a little hint because I piled up with all this sugar. That's how you know it's good, baby. This is good. I guess I'll adding the white chocolate. Yeah, it did what it supposed to did. And that was deliciousness. We gotta get us a 10 still. Guys, even though, like I said, you taste a teensy bit of the, if you had like the regular marshmallow, toasted marshmallow, then you won't have the issue, but, and some people, they don't even care. But it's not bad. Like I said, due to the fact that I put all that sugar in there. 10 Jose, baby.